Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop as a monitor for another PC device. So first of all, you're gonna have to make sure if both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So open the control center on your laptop and check the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to, and make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on the other device. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then open the System section on the sidebar and navigate down to first of all, Optional Features. Select View Features right here. Then select See Available Features. And here find Wireless Display feature. Then once you find it, hit the checkbox next to it and click Add, and wait until it's added to your device. It's gonna take around 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed, and then you'll be able to see it in the added features right here. Once you added this feature, go back to System menu and select Project into this PC. Now switch Always Off option right here to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks, if you are connected to a secure network. And then if you want your PC to be discovered even if it's unplugged from the power source, also switch this toggle to the left. And then on your other laptop, I'm not sure if it's gonna be displayed properly. Well, yeah, it's way too close. Maybe let me just zoom out a little bit. So on your other laptop, what you're gonna have to do is first, of course, make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on it. And then in order to project to your PC, you have to press Windows and K button at the same time, and then wait until you find the other laptop. Sometimes you cannot find the laptop because you're using a 5G network. In that case, you're gonna have to switch to the 2.4G network instead. And that was actually the issue in my case, so I just switched to 2.4G network. And now I can see my other laptop as an available display. So just click on it in the Available Displays menu, and then you'll be able to see the notification on your Dell laptop that some other device is attempting to project to your PC. So now let's click OK to allow projection, and now everything that happens on the other laptop's display will be projected to my Dell. Yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, the projection speed is pretty poor. It's because the 2.4 gigahertz network that I'm connected to is pretty far away from me. Yeah, so the connection quality depends on your Wi-Fi speed, but generally speaking, even if you have a good Wi-Fi speed, this projection type is only good for projecting some static images or maybe showing some PowerPoint presentations. But for video, yeah, I think it would be not enough. And unfortunately, there's like no alternative unless you know some online service to do so, or maybe some third-party application. But generally speaking, yeah, that's how you do it, and that's what it looks like. Now, in order to stop projecting, you can either press Windows K combination once again on your other device, and then select Disconnect at the bottom of the displayed menu. Yeah, now maybe it would be better if I show it to you on this laptop instead, because it's gonna be much faster. So you can also change the projection type here from duplicate to extend to second screen only, and you can also click disconnect right here, or on the other laptop you can simply close the window with the projection. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.